Welcome to Our Daily Health. Tonsillitis, 11 home remedies for tonsillitis. Tonsillitis is a swelling and inflammation of tonsils found at the back of your throat caused by infection. Anyone can get tonsillitis, although it is most commonly found in teenagers and children. It is usually contagious and can be easily transmitted to adults. Some of the common symptoms of tonsillitis include bad breath, sore throat, headache, fever, etc. If not treated, tonsillitis can be painful and make you have trouble eating. Luckily, some natural home remedies can alleviate this condition. Tonsillitis, 11 home remedies for tonsillitis. Number 1. Gargling salt water. This is one of the most commonly used home remedies for tonsillitis. You can gargle and rinse your mouth with salt water to soothe your sore throat and reduce tonsillitis pain. Salt is a natural antiseptic, and gargling helps eliminate phlegm that sticks in your mouth gap and tonsil tissues. Mix a half teaspoon of salt into a glass of warm water and mix well. Use this water to gargle 3 times a day. Spit the solution after every gargle. Number 2. Ginger tea and honey. Ginger has amazing health benefits. It is a natural antiseptic and has antibacterial properties that help ease tonsillitis pain and reduce inflammation. Raw honey has many health benefits, and when it's added to ginger tea, it has very strong antibacterial properties. It will help clear the bacteria that cause tonsillitis. Consume warm teas instead of hot teas and mix with honey until it dissolves. This concoction will help reduce swelling and discomfort in your tonsils. To prepare this remedy, boil water and add chopped ginger. Let it simmer for about 5 minutes and add raw honey. Drink it while still warm, and be sure to take it 3 times daily for 5 days. Number 3. Garlic and honey. The honey and garlic combination has great antimicrobial and antibacterial properties. They are both excellent for treating tonsillitis. Mash 2 to 3 cloves of garlic and add 1 to 2 tablespoons of raw honey to make a paste. Add the paste to a glass of warm water, stir well, and then gargle before swallowing. It would be best to do this 3 times a day for the best results. Number 4. Turmeric and raw honey. This is also another great combination for treating tonsillitis. As mentioned earlier, honey is a perfect antibacterial agent. On the other hand, turmeric contains curcumin, a natural antioxidant and anti-inflammatory agent. The honey and turmeric mixture is the real deal if you naturally cure tonsillitis. You'll need a tablespoon of ground turmeric and 2 tablespoons of raw honey to make a paste to use this remedy. Add this to a glass of warm water, mix correctly, then waggle this drink on your mouth before swallowing. Do this 1 or 2 times daily. Number 5. Licorice lozenges. Licorice lozenges are also a fantastic choice for treating this infection. You can take these tablets to soothe the pain in your throat. Tablets containing licorice as part of the ingredients have very effective anti-inflammatory properties that help soothe tonsillitis pain and reduce inflammation of your throat. If you suspect you have tonsillitis, you can buy the tablets in your nearest pharmacy and use them per instructions given. Ideally, you shouldn't exceed 10 tablets in 24 hours. Also, ensure you suck on them instead of crushing them. If you are enjoying this video, then please like, comment, share, and subscribe to Our Daily Health. Number 6. Humidifiers. Are you experiencing a sore throat or dry mouth due to a tonsil infection? You can use a humidifier. Humidifiers offer great help in relieving these symptoms. Dry air can cause irritation on the throat, and humidifiers aid in soothing irritation in the throat and tonsils because it adds moisture to the air. Use the humidifier as needed, mostly at night when you sleep until the infection reduces. Sitting in a steamed room can also have the same effect as the humidifier. Number 7. Cinnamon. Cinnamon is a spice with a great aroma. It's not only revered by many because of its distinctive aroma, but because it also contains medicinal properties. These effects include antimicrobial and antibacterial properties that aid in pain management, swelling, and inflammation. You can use cinnamon by mixing a tablespoon of the spice and honey and then drinking it as a tea up to 3 times a day for best results. Number 8. Coconut oil. Another home remedy for tonsillitis is coconut oil. It has antibacterial and healing properties to reduce pain, inflammation, and swelling caused by an infection in the tonsils. You can use this remedy by mixing lemon juice, honey, and coconut oil. Warm it slightly to melt it, then add it to a glass of warm water and drink the concoction 3 or more times a day. Besides this, you can also apply coconut oil around your neck and leave it for a couple of minutes or overnight. The effects of coconut oil will absorb the skin and relieve your symptoms. However, it's best to use it for about a week to see the desired results. Number 9. Lemon juice. Lemon juice is a brilliant source of vitamin C, but it also contains antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and antiviral agents. And for this reason, it's an excellent natural treatment for tonsillitis. Lemon juice is also effective in treating upper respiratory tract infections in general. Lemon juice can be one of the easiest to use. For example, you can take a glass of warm lemon water 3 times a day to ease your symptoms. Or, better still, mix lemon juice with some warm water and a pinch of salt. Then, gargle this mixture thrice a day. Number 10. Basil. Basil, also known as tulsi, has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. These components are efficient in fighting the infection in the tonsils and reducing inflammation. To benefit from this herb, take about 10 basil leaves to boil in 2 cups of water for about 10 minutes. Squeeze the water and some lemon juice drops. Add a teaspoon of raw honey or as desired, and slowly swish this mixture in your mouth as you swallow. For best results, use this remedy 2 to 3 times a day for 7 days. Number 11. Cumin. To add this to the list are also cumin seeds. Cumin seeds are an effective natural home remedy for tonsillitis. They're loaded with antiseptic, antimicrobial properties that fight infections real quick. You'll need about 80 grams of cumin seeds, 200 milliliters of water, and cognac, a brew made from fermenting grapes. In a pan, pour water and bring to a boil for about 10 to 15 minutes until it forms a coffee-like sludge. Let it cool down and strain it. Then add some more water, like 50 milliliters, into it again. Finally, pour 1 tablespoon of cognac and mix well. Drink the cocktail every 30 minutes for effective tonsils relief. Bottom line, tonsillitis is a painful condition caused by bacteria. The tonsils swell, causing significant discomfort. Luckily, some natural home remedies have proven to ward off the infection. They're affordable and easy to use. For example, saltwater gargle, lemon juice, cumin seeds, honey, and licorice lozenges. Giving these remedies is one sure way to eliminate tonsil infection. However, in severe cases, it can be difficult to treat tonsillitis at home. In such instances, it would be best to visit a doctor for further medication. Which of these home remedies for tonsillitis do you like best? Comment your answer below. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more health and wellness topics, please subscribe to Our Daily Health.